Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of nursery business. So let's take an example that you are a nursery business owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your nursery business advertisement, and with those ads, you are getting lots of leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply to those leads and lose a lot of potential clients. Now, you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your nursery business brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your nursery business brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page named ABC Plant Nursery. This is the Facebook lead ad form, and this is the form actually looks like, where I have asked for the email address, full name and WhatsApp number of the customer. This is the plant nursery brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically the nursery brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with a message. So let us just fill this form. Here I'll just give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let us give the full name as Adam Smith. I'll give his phone number over here. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number, and here we can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Plant Nursery. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our nursery business. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, ABC Plant Nursery. So a message is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find a nursery brochure is shared with the customer. Now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form, the Facebook lead ad form over here, and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your nursery business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. as you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as how to use WhatsApp for marketing of nursery business. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement, and let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your nursery business brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating the connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the Facebook page name and the lead generation form that we have created to capture the leads. So the Facebook page name is ABC Plant Nursery. This is the test page which I have created. You can use the actual page name, whatever the business name you own. So I'll just select the same page name in Pabbly Connect, and this is the lead generation form, nursery brochure form. So we have to select this particular form in Pabbly Connect. So let us just select the page, that is ABC Plant Nursery, and here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created just single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this lead generation form, that is the Facebook lead ad form. We have to create a test lead on the name of some customer just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the recent response. For that we have to go to the form and let us fill the details of the customer, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com, full name as Shikha Arya, and I'll give her phone number over here, that is the WhatsApp number. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, the form is filled. Go to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is the email address, full name Shikha Arya, and the WhatsApp number is captured over here. Now we want to send a WhatsApp message along with your business brochure to this customer on this WhatsApp number. So come to this action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. So I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account over here. This is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find Generate API Key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it once again. Now the domain is required. Let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example and paste it over here. Now, whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on Save. As I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, select existing connection, and I'll click on Save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only the message can be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll take you 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find manage templates option. Simply click on this. Here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. Here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved, that is send brochure final, this template. Here you can see hello, I have given 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. So I have given some numbers in the curly braces. So these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. As here this is the message which is going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Here we want the customer name, hello. So the customer name is going to change every time. Now let us read the template. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your nursery business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our nursery business. Link can be mentioned, your brochure link or your online flyer link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here your website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. Again, your business name is going to come over here. So let us select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect, and I'll find the same template over here. Now we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already got the customer details from the Facebook lead forms. So we are going to map these details now, this WhatsApp number and the customer name. So come to this recipient mobile number and come to Facebook lead ads, and let's map the mobile number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template, hello, here we want the name of the customer. So let us just map the customer name in body field 1, and the customer name is Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. So we have created the Facebook name, that is ABC Plant Nursery. So we have to give the business name here in body field 2. Now body field 3, example software. In the template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our nursery business. So here let us type the same, that is nursery business. Body field 4, link is required. So I have uploaded the nursery brochure in my Google Drive. So I'll simply make a right click on this. I'll find share option, click on this. Here we can find get link option. Simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Now body field 5, example www.pabbly.com, so website address is mentioned. So here you can give your website address, or else I'll just go to the Facebook page, and from here I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the same URL over here. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Here in the template also we require thank you, regards. Here your business name is going to come, that is ABC Plant Nursery. So we have to give the same business name over here also. Okay. And now let us click on save and send test request. The response is received. So let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here I can find a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Plant Nursery. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message that we have created in the template is displayed in this message. Now here we can see that this was the body field value 1. We have mapped the details. This was the second value, the nursery name. The third value we have given was the nursery business. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And the last body field value we have given was the business name once again. So here we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed in this message. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find a nursery business brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So this is the test brochure which I have shared with the customer. In place of this test brochure, you can use your actual brochures. Okay. So let's go back to WhatsApp, and here we can see that the correct message with the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create one more test lead on the name of some other customer now. So here I have given the email address as akash123@gmail.com. I have given the full name as Akash Kapoor and I have given his phone number over here. Now let's click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Let's go to WhatsApp and check whether this customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a message. Hello Akash Kapoor, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Plant Nursery. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of Akash Kapoor also. Now here let us check this link also. And we can find nursery brochure is shared with this customer also. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages along with the correct brochure link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here I want to give you an important information. Here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently and the data will surely arrive. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your nursery business brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.